right, just landed our bonus finally. On $5.28 bet. Let's try the birds. Come on, birds, do me right, do me right. All right, back at 5 treasures, got the bowl to close. All right, we got the miners for $30. Well, almost 31. We'll round it up. Okay, now we want the bonus. Line it up for your brother. Come on, come on, come on. Hope everybody's having a good time, having a good day, good weekend whenever you're watching this. Sending you that positive energy. Come on, connect. We need some bonus action. Ooh, we needed one more tiger. That would have been a nice line hit. I'm pretty sure it would have been a little bit over 100. Oh, we got the dragons. Could have been a bonus though, could have been a bonus. Oh, we got the bowl to close. All right, got the mini for 24. And I think it goes back down to $10. Keeping us alive in the game. Yep, it went down to 10. Could have went in, could have went in. Come on, bonus. Line it up. Them tigers are coming out right now. Shoot, I may have to choose the tigers for the bonus. I don't know. Because the dragons on this one, it wasn't treating your boy right. It did that once, I think once or twice, and after that it was kind of like dead after that point. Come on, bonus. Oh, we needed one more. So close. All right, stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned for more. We got some wins coming. All right, just landed our bonus finally on $5.28 bet. Let's try the birds. Come on, birds, do me right, do me right. Line it up. Oh, damn, we missed that one. Come on, line it up, line it up. Oh no, what is wrong with this game during the bonuses? All right, now that's what I'm talking about. Now we could have re-triggered. We missed that, but I ain't gonna trip. We finally got something to pay out, a little nice. So that's 108 there. We got 3 free games remaining. Do that again, please. Okay, 27. All right, 2 more free spins. Come on, make that last one count. Oh man, that sucked. We got the bowl to close. We need that major. We need the major. Wow, in a row. $12.28. Alrighty, y'all, that was the bonus. Okay, bonus. Well, not bonus, but oh, we got the mini again. Oh my goodness. Don't y'all hate the mini? Oh my goodness. Come on, go to it. Come on, line it up, line it up. Oh, we needed 1 in the middle. Oh, we needed 1 on the end. We almost got back in there. hit there. Ah, we almost landed that door, but it kept on going. All right, everybody, stay tuned for some action. All right, we're gonna try this again. This mini boy, I tell you, it always pops at you. It always pops.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy, What It Is, Eric, and I appreciate you watching my video right now. But the fun does not stop here. Right after this video, make sure you go check out many more videos on my channel. We are on the road to 100,000 subscribers. That is our ultimate goal on this channel. So make sure you tell your friends, your family members, and even your neighbors. We want everybody to know about this channel. We are constantly growing one day at a time, and I appreciate you all for your support. And remember, positive vibes only.